Are you tired of missing out on family outings due to a bad knee or other mobility limitations? If you're like me and you enjoy traveling, then now is the perfect time to consider purchasing a mobility scooter. We're offering up to 25% off on select models, no sales tax, free shipping, and a free in-home repair contract with every purchase. With our dependable mobility solutions, you can get out of the house and enjoy doing the things you love again, whether it's making epic memories with your family at Disney World or doing simple things like going to the grocery store on your own. You can even go out for dinner to your favorite restaurant and have the most comfortable seat in the house. We have mobility scooters that weigh as little as 29 pounds and that can easily fit into the trunk of any vehicle. Most of our scooters are airline friendly and TSA approved, which means you can take it with you on your next travel destination that requires airplane travel. Even if you're not into traveling and you enjoy going fishing like me and my dad, you can take your mobility scooter with you almost anywhere. We have off-road models that are perfect for the great outdoors. We even have really powerful models that can help you get work done around your property if you need something with tremendous towing power and outdoor capabilities. Mobility scooters aren't just for people who can't walk. They serve many different purposes. I use mine all the time around my farm just to do yard work, pick up debris, and do controlled burns after all the storms that pass through Florida. We even have models that can go on the beach, which is great because I love going to the beach with my dad. If you want to learn more about our mobility products, I highly recommend claiming a copy of our free product catalog. To do so, just call the number at the bottom of the screen and speak with our non-commissioned sales experts. Feel free to visit our website mobilitydirect.com to view our complete selection of products. We look forward to earning your business. Thanks and have a great day.